Hello dear students, welcome to our English class. In this video, we will learn grammar and it's all about prepositions. And this video is presented by Madhu's English for you. Now, we'll get the question related to articles, like fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions given in the brackets. Well, we all know preposition is just like linking like a hook and eye, in and out, and for and by, bird in nest and rose on tree, gift for you and gift by me. If you can look at this, you can find lot of prepositions, and the next also you can find on, to, before, of, with and all. And if you look at the picture again, where is the bird? On a tree. And now where is it? It's in. And where is the other one? It's under. So these are common prepositions, right? So but whereas in our example we will see how it will be. Now look at this picture clearly. Where is the bird? Look at that. The bird is under the tree, now it's on the tree, and now it's in the cage, and now it's between the flowers. So now, this is how we can see about, learn many things about prepositions, and now let's check it. And exactly, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence, and these prepositions act to connect the people, objects, time and location of a sentence. Now if you look at the caterpillar, and you can find the image apple, and you can find lot of prepositions with the pictorial presentations, like the caterpillar is above the apple in the first one, and in the below one you can find below the apple, and you can find outside, up, in, and all you can find the various positions. Well, I know that you learned about prepositions. Now we will check and we will learn what kind of prepositions we will get in our exams. Right. As I told you, we have compound prepositions in our examinations, and the first one is I am interested dash. Is it at painting or in painting, to painting? Well, it's all about I am interested in painting, right? Now you can find one more example. She is interested in teaching. So with interested we use in, and with good we use at. Yes, she's good dash English. So is it at or in or to? She is good at, and even she's bad at also you can say. So she's good at English. Now there is one more important example here. Nick is married. Is it with or of or to Kenya? Most of are confused that every time we say that Nick is married with, but the right prepositional phrase is Nick is married to Kenya, right? So now, and another easy example, I am fond dash fruits. Is it of or to? I am fond of fruits. At the same time, Nick is fond of water sports. Look at this picture. What do you find? How is her expression? She is afraid dash darkness. So afraid of. She is afraid of darkness. Now she is listening dash music. With listening, we usually say that listen to. So the combination is she's listening to music. Now look at the visual. What do you find? People are suffering dash coronavirus. So is it in or with or from? So though we told many times most of our students make mistakes, but it's exactly suffering from coronavirus, not with. Suffering from coronavirus. Suffering from cough, like that. Now this, look at this. Amazing, right? So I'm amazed dash you Victoria. So what do you find? I am amazed at you Victoria. Exactly. Now let's look at this. What's she doing? She is arguing. Is it at or with or by? So with argue, we always use with. She's arguing with her. Shout at, like that. So refer dash a dictionary if you want to know more about prepositions or to know the meaning or the pronunciation or the spelling. So refer, it is to. Refer to a dictionary, right? So let's look at that. Most of the times we are talking about the prepositions, and now all these prepositions, whatever we will have in our exam, it is the combination of verb or adjective plus preposition. Like here in this, I have given one example what goes with at. So you can find he is good at or bad at, amazed at, shocked at, don't shout at, look at. So these are the combinations that goes with at. Now let's look at one more example with adjective and of. Most of the questions we are getting from of. So the first one you can find, Raj was afraid of dogs. Right? The next one is, Shrikar is ahead of his friends. Now, Ravi was selected in the place of Swati. Right? So the next one is jealous of. So she was jealous of your success. Okay. Terrified of. I was terrified of her. So these are the combinations that goes with of. Now let's look at whatever we have from our reader, we have taken here. Like with from, it's always suffering from. He's suffering from cough. And with of, we use afraid of, fond of, died of cholera, and proud of. She's jealous of my success. With at, we use good at, bad at, look at, shout at, amaze at. I was shocked at the hatred he had shown. Right? On, depend on, insist on, keen. He's keen on playing games. Don't depend on the buses, they are often late, like that. And the next one is with in, it is interested in and resulted in. The accident resulted in the death of a man. Now we look at one more. So it's all about with, and we go with, argue with, and agree with. I don't agree with you. And the next one is to, as we were talking, she is married to or he is accustomed to, and this book belongs to Radha, or I want to talk to you. So the next one is for, it is responsible for. Palasa is famous for its cashew. So we use responsible for, I want to apply for a leave, and famous. The next one is of. It is dreamt of instead of. I'm thinking of ahead of. I was terrified of her. That the last one is worry and think. I'm worried about my SSC exams and the results. Right. Now we will see a certain combinations with agree. So agree, we say that do you agree with me about? And we always say that agree to a proposal, we agree to meet him at the school and agree with a person. And with agree we say we don't agree on the new policy. So this is how a lot of combinations will go with agree. And now we will see the various examples what we'll get on our exam. Right. Sairam was always arguing. We heard no the combinations. So arguing with his brother. Sindhu was dedicated. Can you guess what is that? Dedicated to her job. Now Victoria, a precocious girl of 10, was dressed dash colors. With dressed, is it by or in or with? It's in. Now I want to talk dash by in the group about their results. And of course, there's no option. So here we are right. I want to talk to you, to the group, right? Now we will check it out. It wasn't his car. In fact, I don't know who it belonged dash. Look at the preposition here. So is it at or with or by or something like it's to? So my problems are similar, very similar dash yours. So now the first one is belongs to, and the second one is my problems are very similar to yours, right? Sometimes you will get the options. If it is wrong, don't worry, you write answer and you attempt and you will get full marks. Madhu got a good job. Is it instead of, by means of, or in case of his own abilities? Right? So by means of his own abilities. And the next one, Lincoln did not depend. So we heard the combination, it's depend on. So Lincoln did not depend on luck. He worked hard. Right. If you continue to support someone who is in trouble, you are loyal, dash them. Is it by or to or with them? Think. Kenya was attracted dash by or to or with Nick's message. Let's look at the first one, loyal to. And the next one is Kenya was attracted to. Right. He was born dash to or for or on tall and handsome parents. Just think it. She bought all the necessary goods dash in spite of, for the sake of, by means of her family. So the first one is he was born to. And the second one is she bought all the necessary goods for the sake of her family. Right. The work was completed much along with, is it ahead of, on account of the deadline? It is, try to guess. One is responsible dash from or for or by one's own abilities. One is responsible. Okay. The work was completed much ahead of the deadline. And the next one is responsible for. If you remember the combinations. Nick plays football, golf, swims, and surfs in place of, in spite of, in sense of. So here having no limbs. So we say that, try to guess. And the next one is Ravi went to office along with, in order to, and in the event of his close friends. So the first one is in spite of, and the second one is goes or went to office along with. Right. She does office work dash always away from, apart from, ahead from her household chores. Think it. I said dash with or to at you. I'm thinking dash to or of by going to America. I have actually dreamt it. Now let's check. She does office work apart from, in addition to that. And I said to, and if it is told, there won't be to, but I said to you, I'm thinking of going to America. I have always dreamt of. Right. The buses are often late, so you can't depend at or with or on. You heard. Try to do it. She listened. Now I'm sure you can do this also. Dash me and then told dash her problem. So the first one is depend on, and she listened to me and told me about her problems, right? And hope you enjoyed and learned, my dear students, and please subscribe and share with your friends, and wish you all the best. And this is all from Madhu's English for you.